Hello friends, in this video I'll try to explain the common terms which are asked in the oral examinations like what is ITF, IBF, JNG, Blue Card, ITF Blue Card or certificate, and what is Green Card. Let's get started. I hope you fall in love with my handwriting. So here it is. I've tried to explain how the connection is there. On top you can see written ITF, which stands for International Transport Worker Federation. And this is a union for the transport workers. So for seafarers, everyone who's working on board or related to this is a part of ITF. Then on the other side of this, we have IMEC, which stands for International Maritime Employer Council. And this is a group of all the employers who are employing the transport workers. ITF controls the worker and employers need workers. And ITF sets certain conditions that employers must fulfill. So IMEC has one option that it'll take track 1. Using track 1, it directly goes to the ITF and they agree with all their conditions and receive in exchange of that a blue card. Blue card or the ITF blue card. This is track 1. So ITF blue card signifies that the employer is agreeing with all the conditions of the ITF. And thus it's like a guarantee that working condition on board such ships would be good. However, certain companies might find all these standards a little too high for their companies and they are not very happy with everything that is put down in the agreement. So they form a union. They say that your conditions are too steep, let's negotiate. And then ITF and IMEC, they are brought together, and that is track 2. As you can see in the diagram, both the organizations are coming closer in a common area and they form a joint negotiation group. JNG stands for Joint Negotiation Group. Now this joint negotiation group has been made so that they can bargain together on a common ground. And this forum where they can discuss everything together is called IBF, which is International Bargaining Forum. IBF is a forum that brings together ITF and international maritime employers, and that makes up the Joint Negotiation Group. The agreement that results from the IBF is called CBA, which is your collective bargaining agreement. And once that agreement has been signed and all the further formalities have been done, ensuring that employers comply with all these conditions, ITF issues a green card, which signifies that the employer complies with the conditions that were decided during the IBF and the CBA is in force. I hope this information so far made sense. Let me now discuss the other blue card. And this blue card is issued by the insurance company. And this is a proof that all mandatory insurance policies are in place. So how that works is, ship owner applies for a blue card from their marine insurance. The marine insurer verifies that the ship owner has all the compulsory insurance coverage and provide the ship owner with a blue card. The ship owner then submits that blue card to the flag state or other applicable institution to obtain a certificate of insurance. Further, if you like more information on the blue card, it includes name, call sign, port of registry, IMO number, name and address of the registered owner's principal place of business. Then further, to understand this blue card, it originated from the IMO, which oversees numerous conventions and their protocols related to maritime safety, security, pollution, liability and compensation. Liability and compensation convention include, you know about the CLC convention, civil liability for oil pollution damage. Then there was 1992 protocol to the same, and then fund convention was added to this. There is also a convention related to civil liability in the field of maritime carriage of nuclear material 1971. There is Athens Convention for the carriage of passenger and their luggage by sea. And then LLMC, HNS Convention and Protocol, civil liability for bunker oil pollution damage 2001, wreck removal. And all these conventions require a compulsory insurance. And thus, blue card is issued by the insurer giving a guarantee that this ship owner has the required insurance. Finally, I summarize. IMEC stands for International Maritime Employers Council. This IMEC negotiates with ITF, International Transport Worker Federation, on benefits which apply uniquely to IMEC members and members of the Joint Negotiation Group. These benefits are made available in recognition of the fact that JNG represents employers who have chosen to enter into negotiation rather than to have ITF agreement imposed on them. The issue by ITF of a green card to ships covered by IBF agreement, which identifies the ship as entitled to the privilege available through the IBF system. And here's a diagram which explains the basic relationship between all these organizations. IMEC negotiates with ITF in a joint negotiation group. If a shipping company directly negotiates with the ITF, then the shipping company receives a ITF blue card or certificate and green card in case they are going through the IBF, International Bargaining Forum, forming a joint negotiation group first. I hope this was a useful video for you. If you have any comment, feedback or suggestion, then please write below. I thank you for watching. All the best.